The Chevy Cruze key fob from 2016 to 2019 uses a CR2032 battery. A dead battery means the remote lock and unlock functions won't work. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the notch on the fob's edge, usually between the keyring hole and buttons. Gently insert the tool into the notch and twist to separate the two halves of the case. Be careful, the plastic can crack. Once open, remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from a distance. If it doesn't work, reprogramming might be needed. Sometimes a new battery isn't enough. If the fob still doesn't work, try these fixes. Make sure the battery contacts are clean. Use rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab. If the case is hard to open, warm it with a hairdryer for 30 seconds. After replacing the battery, reprogramming is often required. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to the on position without starting the car. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons alternately for about 10 seconds. This should reprogram the fob. If problems persist, low vehicle battery voltage could be the culprit, or the fob may have moisture damage, in which case an aftermarket replacement might be the best solution.